How to change Facebook name. If you want to change your Facebook name, I have got the quick and easy steps you need. Stay tuned for a straightforward guide to updating your Facebook name in a minute. Click on the app. Make sure you are using the latest version. Now click on the three horizontal lines. Click on this gear icon. Now click anywhere in this space. Okay. Now click on profile. Again click on it. And now click on name. And here you can change your name, first name, middle name, and last name. If you want to change your name, you cannot change it again for 60 days. So make sure you are trying worth it. Okay, after you have changed your name, click on review change and it will ask you to confirm. Then you have confirmed and that's it. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, then click on like button and subscribe my channel and I will see you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.